Hello you beautiful people, welcome back. Today's an awesome day, the sun is shining bright. It's quite warm today and I'm on my way to discover a secret hidden waterfall in Salento, outside Salento. I am very curious what it's gonna look like and I'm excited to share it with you because I kind of wanted to come here and go, or I kind of wanted to go to that waterfall for like 2 or 3 weeks now, and finally today's the day that I'm on the trail going up. Look at all these avocados here. Avocados everywhere, and these are all avocado trees. There's even a little bathroom at the beginning of the trail. So what I learned is kind of normal here in the area of Quindío, Salento, the region here in Colombia, that you pay whoever's property you walk to. So therefore right now I paid 15,000 Colombian pesos, that is $3 US, just so I can walk to the waterfalls. Wow, look at this view. Amazing, I love it. But going straight up the hill, I'm out of breath already. There are so many spider webs on the trail, so I'm trying to take them off by wiggling a little bamboo. I can hear it! Approaching, almost there! Oh my god, wow! There it is! This is so cool! Woohoo! Amazing! That was such a cool experience. The water was so cold, freezing cold, and the wind was ice cold, and it actually hurt to stand close to the waterfall, but it was so great. Such an amazing experience. I gotta say, these are the moments that I travel for, these are the moments that I live for, and the moments that make me truly feel alive. That's why I love traveling and going on explorations and adventures like that. So now we're heading to the next small little waterfall on the way back. And yeah, curious to see what that one's like, but the big waterfall definitely made it all. This is the trail to the big waterfall, and now let's explore the small waterfall over here.
Are you ready, dear? Oh, we must be sure there's no turning back once we're out the door. Leave your message here on the telephone, cause we've no idea when we're coming home.
Ah, that's the small waterfall. Camping, which we came through in the beginning, and that direction we're gonna head back to Salento, gonna catch a Willie's Jeep. I hope one of them is gonna stop on the street for us because they're usually very packed, so I hope we're gonna make it. Gonna have some lunch, picnic here at the lookout spot from the camping. And that's it for today. Gonna wrap it up right here. See you tomorrow. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate every support that you give me, and every support helps me to grow this channel. That's it. See you tomorrow. Bye.